Do you suffer from excessive shine and annoying pimples? Don't worry, oily skin can be easily controlled by following a simple and effective care routine. Here are some tips that will help you get a great looking and feeling skin. Regular cleansing. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle, oil-free lotion to get rid of accumulated oil and dirt. Gentle exfoliation. Exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week with a gentle natural or chemical exfoliant to remove dead cells and clean pores. Toner. Use an alcohol-free toner to soothe the skin and balance the pH. Light hydration. Do not neglect hydration, even if your skin is oily. Choose a light, oil-free moisturizer. Sunscreen. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen daily to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Mud mask. Use a mud mask once or twice a week to absorb excess oil and purify pores. Healthy diet. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables and drink enough water to maintain healthy skin from the inside. Limit touching the face. Avoid touching your face constantly, as this transfers dirt and bacteria to the skin.